Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make one-pot lemon chicken and orzo. It's creamy, it's packed full of chicken, Parmesan, and herbs, and it's ready in just 45 minutes. So this is the dish that you're gonna wanna make over and over again. Start by cubing about 1 pound of chicken, so 2 chicken breasts, into bite-sized pieces. Now this is made all in one pot, so you're gonna need either a deep 12-inch skillet like a brazier, or you can make this in a 6-quart pot. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the pan and heat it over medium-high heat. We're gonna add in our chicken and get that browning. We're gonna season the chicken with 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. And then we're also gonna sneak in a teaspoon of garlic powder. These will brown for about 6 to 8 minutes, so just give them an occasional stir. Once the chicken has browned, we're gonna pour in 4 cups of chicken broth. And we're gonna add in a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and I always like to do freshly squeezed because it has the best flavor. That's quickly gonna come to a simmer, and then we're gonna add in 1 pound, 16 ounces of orzo pasta, which is that little rice-shaped pasta, which I absolutely love, and it's all the rage these days. And then 2 tablespoons of dried basil to add in that herby deliciousness, and we'll stir this all together and bring it to a simmer. Once it comes to a boil, reduce the heat to medium, and then we're gonna pop a lid on and let this simmer until the pasta is done cooking, which will take about 9 to 10 minutes. Every couple minutes, just give it a little stir to make sure that the orzo doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Now, if you wanted to add veggies to this dish, it would be really easy. You could add some asparagus tips, some broccoli. I would use a bag of frozen broccoli, so it's already kind of par cooked there. You just add it in during the last 5 minutes of cooking. Once that orzo is done, all that's left to do is turn off the heat and add in half a cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese and a 1/4 cup of salted butter. Stir that all in until it's melted and smooth. It's simple comfort food that is just, so delicious with that lemon and herb. Can't get enough. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to like and subscribe, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.